Welcome to our next lesson of our comprehensive beginner's guide to Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we are going to explore advanced formatting techniques using styles and themes. Styles and themes are powerful tools in Word that allow you to maintain consistency and professionalism throughout your documents effortlessly. Let's start with styles. A style is a set of formatting characteristics that can be applied to text or paragraphs with a single click. Word comes with a variety of built-in styles for different types of text, such as headings, titles, and body text. Using styles not only saves you time but also ensures that your documents have a consistent look and feel. To apply a style to your text, simply select the text you want to format, let it be the second sentence. Then choose a style from the Styles gallery. This is Style Gallery, and let's choose some style that is present. You can see it is changeable. I can click also on this arrow and I can see more styles up here. I will choose this one. In addition to built-in styles, you can also create your own custom styles to suit your specific needs. To create a custom style, format a piece of text exactly how you want it to appear. Let's select this word, for example. After that, let's style it a little bit. So I will change some text effects and choose this one, for example. I will change the color and will choose it as an orange. Then select it and go to Styles menu again. Choose this drop-down list and find here Create a Style. Choose Save Selection as a new quick style, so let it be Style 1. We gave the name of our style and now we'll click OK. Your new style will now appear in the Styles gallery for easy access. It is up here. So from now, if I want to style some word or text with the same style as we named it Style 1, I can just simply select the word or the range of words, go to Styles and choose Style 1. And my text will be the same as I did it. Themes are another way to enhance the appearance of your documents in Word. A theme is a predefined set of fonts, colors, and effects that can be applied to your entire document with a single click. Themes provide a quick and easy way to give your document a professional-looking design without having to manually format each element. To apply a theme to your document, click on the Design tab on the ribbon, then select a theme from the Themes gallery. Word comes with a variety of built-in themes to choose from, varying from simple and elegant to bold and colorful. You can preview how each theme will look by hovering your mouse over it. You can see how it is changing. Once you've applied a theme to your document, you can further customize it by adjusting the colors, fonts, or effects. Drop-down menus in the Themes group on the ribbon to choose from a variety of options. By using styles and themes effectively, you can create professional-looking documents with minimal effort. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to enhance your documents even further by adding images and graphics. Whether you are creating a presentation, a flyer, or a report, adding visual elements will help capture your audience's attention and convey your message more effectively. Bye-bye!